So what's going on, guys? Back out again for a brand new video, and today I am in Trentham visiting Trentham Mausoleum. It was built in 1808. Just have a quick look at this notice board here. This is signpost. If you want to read it better, just slow the video down or stop the video and have a read of it. I've never been inside here. You do have open days where they open the doors and people can go in. But every time I come here, there isn't any. The doors are never open. So we are just across the road from Trentham Gardens. Right across the road. The old entrance. But we have got a little bit of a war memorial here. So there's the mausoleum with the big old doors. Few poppy leaves there. So we are going to have a walk around it, around the back, see what we can see. But with these doors, it's traditional. We have to try the doors, see if they open. Let's go try. No, I wasn't expecting anything. I was expecting them to be locked. So there's Trentham Gardens across the road. So let's go have a walk round. Let's go have a mosey around. See what's round the back. Big old stonework. Is that the colour what it's supposed to be, or is it dirt on the stone? It looks like there used to be a big window there. A big old arched window. Being bricked up. So we are going to have a walk up here. I've seen people walking down here, so there must be a footpath. But I'm just going to have a quick look at this notice board. Just the opening times, I think, telling you public notices. Annie Elizabeth, devoted wife of John Mountford, 1922. William Corbishley, 1911, aged 68 years. So the mausoleum was built in 1808 by the Duke of Sutherland, who was going to be buried in there. But when he died, he decided he wanted to be buried in Scotland. He had vast amounts of land what he owned, and at the time the family was one of the richest families in England. Mausoleum cost £5,000 build in 1808. Don't know what that would cost in today's money. Don't know what that is work out at. It's got a better view. A cross on the top. This grave here, it looks like it's all smashed. Looks like it's all been smashed up. See if we can get a name. Aged 13 years. In God's care. That's all I can make out. It's a very big cemetery, I don't think. It's only a small cemetery. As you can see, Elizabeth Rebecca Lawnford, aged 29. Wonder how she died. That wasn't very old. 29 years old. So we will have a look at a few graves while we're here. See what we can see. And Barnet. The road is very busy. Cars going past. Got a war grave here. Brassington. J.G. Brassington. John Emma Brassington. It's an unusual name, Emma, for a man. Edwina. Also Ethel May, 1965. Age 71. That grave's got a notice on it. Let's go have a look. Memorial safety. It doesn't look like there's much wrong with it. It's only a small stone, but there's something round the back. It looks like it's been pinned up. Maybe it's split. All the graves are facing away from me again. Margaret. 1945. Let's go have a look at that one. With the gold letters on. I haven't seen no recent burials in here. No fresh graves. Dennis Quinn. July 30th, 2011. Aged 80. There's a photograph of him. Looks like he's got his wedding suit on. With a flower. Not if you can hear them cars going past, but it is very busy on them roads. I think it's the A34. New shed at Mountford of Trentham. This one's fell over. John Hare and Hemmings, 1922. Let's have a walk up here. Can we see anything on this one? All covered in leaves. William Barron, 1877, age 49. William Pillsbury, age 69. (1906) as that say, or 1806. So somebody might have broke the window there and it's been bricked up. I can see a grave inside there underneath the undergrowth, but I can't get to it. Got no chance of getting in there. That looks like it's sunk. Big dip in it. James Calvert, 1925. Died at Yarmouth. Died at Great Yarmouth. Richard Webb. That one's toppled over. Some houses over there. Bungalows. That tree looks old. A very old tree. Bet that could tell some tales. That's about it, guys. Trentham Mausoleum, War Grave Cemetery. So I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.